if you give us some food.
I picked these fresh just this morning.
Good luck finding a better price in this area.
I'm so glad I didn't get carried away and agree to become a hero. For a kingdom in trouble, their royals sure are extravagant. Got a feeling I shouldn't linger here too long. Alright then. Let's see. Status open. Whoa. That's amazing. I've seen this happen in anime before, but it feels totally different in person. Level 1 skills, appraise, and another called item box. Oh, looks like I don't have to worry about lugging things around. As for my unique skill, it's still online grocery. Activate online grocery!